Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you reset your progress on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, just keep going. You click down here in this sign. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you come here to reset my progress here. So when you just click on it, then here you will add here, I understand all this, you will enable it here. So then here you click here on reset my progress, then it's going to reset with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.